Even if you have not done this, just assume that you are a salesman and you have been selling from last 5 years. Let's assume you sold this pen, okay, this marker. Now, when you are an affiliate of this, you will make, let's say 50%, let's say $5 you will make one time. But that guy who bought it from you will be using it for lifetime. Maybe not, if not lifetime, at least 1 year or maybe 6 months. So whom it is helping? You or them whom you are selling? See, and if you are making $5 out of by selling this one, that $5, is it remaining for next 6 months with you? No, it's gone, right? Within a day or within a week or within a month, it's gone. But the pen that you sold, it's not gone. Your prospect or your customer is still using it. So whom it is helpful? When you are selling something, whom you are helping? It's not you, it's them to whom you are selling. So keep that perspective in your mind all the time, because that is when you understand retargeting, you're actually helping your prospects to understand what you have to offer to them, okay, and in what journey they're in. You are enhancing their experience. You are not resending them the same old stuff. You are actually understanding them, their behaviors, whether they have to watch this, they haven't watched this. Based on them, that you are actually sending them something that will help them take a better decision for their life, to enhance their life, right?